Today we are going to discuss about water level indicator, and here you can see this is the boiler and this one is the water level indicator. So if you zoom in, then you can see the water level indicator. So welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Engineering Management. At the end of this video, you will be able to understand function, location, construction, working and animation of water level indicator. According to IBR, these are the mountings fitted to the boilers. So in the previous video we have discussed about steam pressure gauge, and today we are going to discuss about one more boiler mounting, water level indicator. It is one of the boiler mountings, so you can understand it is essential and compulsory part of the boiler. Generally, two water level indicators are installed in the boiler. So let's start with the function of the water level indicator. It indicates the water level inside the boiler shell. So here you can see the water level indicator. It indicates the water level inside this boiler shell. Now next, location. Normally, two water level indicators are fitted into the boiler. These are fitted at the front and side of the every boiler. So here you can see front and side of the boiler. And this is the real image of the water level indicator in the boiler shell. And with the help of this glass tube, you can see the water level inside the boiler shell. And this is the separate part of the water level indicator. Now next important point is the construction of water level indicator. Water level indicator consists of three cocks. Steam cock, here you can see, water cock and drain cock, and glass tube. This one is the glass tube. The steam cock, that means this cock, connects or disconnects the glass tube with the steam space. The water cock connects or disconnects the glass tube with water in the boiler. The drain cock is used to drain out water from the glass tube periodically to ensure that the steam and water cock are clear in operation. That means the passage is clear to flow the water as well as the steam. Next, it consists of thick hard glass tube. So here you can see the ends are connected. That means the ends of the hard glass tubes are connected with two hollow blocks. Here you can see, and both are connected with boiler end plate, such that one end of the block is connected with the steam space and the other end with water storage. Parallel to this glass tube, there is one metallic tube with steel balls. Now next important point is working of water level indicator. The water of the boiler comes into the glass tube through this lower tube and steam through this upper tube. The water then stands in the glass tube at the same level as in the boiler. Two cocks are used to control the passage between the boiler and the glass tube. Third cock is used to discharge some of the water from the boiler to see whether the gauge is properly work or not. Next, two steel balls, here you can see with the black color, are kept in the junction of metal tube under normal operating condition. In case the glass tube breaks, the rush of the steam and water will push the steel balls. Therefore, passages will be blocked by taking new position of the balls as shown in figure with red color. So let's see the new position of the steel ball with red color. So this is the initial position of the ball. Now due to the rush of the steam as well as of water, it will take its new position. And so that these both passages are blocked. So they prevent water and steam come out of the boiler shell. The broken glass tube is replaced immediately to function it as usual. More images to understand the water level indicator. So this figure you can use in the examination, and this figure is to understand exactly the inside construction of the water level indicator. Next, more images of the water level indicator. So these are the types of the water level indicator, and here you can see one more image of water level indicator. Here metallic tube is not shown. So if you want to see more engineering videos, then subscribe my YouTube channel and go to playlist. Thanks my dear friends. Press the like button to appreciate this video.